This one they very different from for the other videos we I do I take organic chemistry, but this one once see say based on popular demand, people don't ask me say come more go to the basics, more even look at those aliphatic hydrocarbons. I know some people, especially this video now for people they write jam. Some of them say they sleep, Chukudi, you they sleep, and Choma, you they sleep, the exam done here. So now just this kind of videos now you're supposed to listen to where you could say pass the exam very fast. So I'm not gonna waste your time, more just go straight because I know say you try to preserve your maybe your 4 MB where you get. So this video they very short, or my video they short. But remember, go look other videos, maybe say I don't fair do. May you take the follow up, and you if you never subscribe, but like say you the one made under fire you subscribe to my YouTube now Mosjaro, you subscribe to my TikTok, the videos they there too, or say you want me to use this thing to whip you for it. Oh yeah, wait, now let's go. These alkanes, this one are alkynes, this one are alkenes, this one are alkynes. Now in case you just they come up, you don't know what be these guys. Now first off, they call them aliphatic hydrocarbons. You get what they call aliphatic, you get what they call aromatic. In another video, we'll talk about the aromatic hydrocarbons. So when they talk about the benzenes, those compounds we get benzenes, and those ones we say those ones we not get benzene, we they for straight chain, we they for branch chain, they call them aliphatic hydrocarbons. Now these guys now aliphatic hydrocarbons. So we get the alkanes, we get the alkenes, and we get the alkynes. Now if you want really know organic chemistry, first of all you go first know the difference amongst these guys. Then from there your knowledge will come to increase. So if you want write jam and you don't know these guys, I wonder what you want to go do. For example, I say you want cry, oh yeah, now mo could take them fast mo could take the difference. I go use my hand more not to waste time so that the video no go too long. Now these alkanes way there. So first thing where you go know be say if you want identify them, you get one formula where they say they identify alkanes, they call them general formula. Alkanes get your own, alkenes get your own, alkynes get your own. Now foundationally I go start from the basics. Now what it be alkanes own? Alkanes own na CnH2n plus 2. This n way there, so the number fit be 1, if it be 2, if it be 3. So the first member of that alkanes now, if it be methane. Now this other one get a general formula of CnH2n, but this one member n not fit be 1, they always starts from 2. So the first member, so if you ask you say wetin be the first member of the alkene family, it's not the same as the first member of the alkene family. Sure they get. So your first member, the first member of your family now, not fit the first member of my family, if not what go dey. So my own fit they start with, say your own they start with 1, my own fit they start with 2, this one now they start with 2. That means if I want to put n they always they start with 2. That means my first member will come be C2H4. That means 2 times 2 is 4. But this one first member they start with 1, so it becomes CH4. So the first member of this one is methane, but the first member of this one is ethane. You know, it means 2. ETH, not be it where they chop. Now ETH. Now this one get the general formula of CnH2n minus 2. Now I dey fast for the video, so if you miss anything you go back go play them again. You will no one waste MB, you go back go play them again, so that means you get the picture clearly. Now this CnH2n minus 2 now be the general formula of alkynes, but there's something we I want to talk for you so people don't know. There's what we call cycloalkanes. If you don't hear the word cyclo means cyclic, like it dey on ring, like cyclic. Maybe I'm having something and they get something will be like this. Now this one not be benzene, oh, don't go disgrace yourself. Oh. Now this one is cyclic alkane. Now cycloalkanes get the same general formula as alkenes. That does not mean say both cycloalkanes and alkenes are the same thing, but they get the same general formula. That means put them for the back of your mind now. Say from today onwards, now you will do here like who they sell beans. That cycloalkanes get the same general as alkenes. That means if I say give me the formula of cycloalkane, you go run out like this CnH2n. But I want to repeat that not mean say cycloalkanes and alkenes not the same thing. Now that is one difference between this guy, and this guy. And of course I don't bring one come aside now. This one you will need to know them, very important. So we get many cycloalkane, we get cyclohexane, cyclobutane, cyclopropane. As long as say your form ring, their general formula now CnH2n. and come be alkanes. Now make we take another difference between them again like I said, this one also the first member they start with 2. So if I want to do this one now, I want to put 1 for here, it will come be 2, it will come be C2H 2 times 2 4 minus 2 2. So this one is ethyne. So the first member now ethyne for this one. So you go fit do other members. So you go to start out from 2 3 4 for this alkenes and alkynes. But for this one, the first member they start with 1 in case they ask them for exam, because don't ask them for why before say what will be the first member of, or what will be the fourth member of alkynes. The fourth member for alkynes not be the same as the fourth member for alkanes. For alkanes, the fourth member na butane, but for this one, the fourth member na pentyne. So they get now. If we don't establish that fact, then another thing you must know again, say this guy gets single bond, normal. This one they get double bond. That means say between their carbon, you get bond where they hold them, just like the bond where they hold you and your girlfriend, where they say you're not supposed to get. Now look at it. This one get triple bond in between the carbon. So anytime you see triple bond, you're gonna say, oh, now alkynes be this one, but this one are alkenes, this one are alkenes. Now another thing you will know be say again that they give it to the call hybridization that say alkenes they sp3 hybridized, but these alkenes they sp2 hybridized. Hybridization means say orbitals they mix. Now as our series of lecture they go, that's why you have to subscribe. You need to subscribe before I beat you this afternoon. You need to subscribe so that you could see all the other videos we say I they do. It will make you they learn and well. Now this one na sp3 sp rather, this one na xp2, this one na xp. Now the abbreviation of alkynes be that between their carbon atoms. Now these alkenes, when it comes to get what they call bromine water, these alkenes no go fit decolorize bromine water. It means say that a big language for some people. It means say no go fit remove the color. You no go fit react with bromine water. But these two guys, these alkenes and alkynes, they fit react with bromine water. They decolorize bromine water. You know why? These alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons. That means say the hydrogen we did in not many reach. That means I still add more. But this one don't desaturated already. I don't feel add anything to it. What am I not trying to say? It means say this alkane is saturated, but these alkenes and alkynes they unsaturated. Now just quick one. The video don't need too long, but you go there very very careful. I'm going to just bring these ones out. Remember, I don't break this particular part into 2. Now the first one I they give you so you go to observe when I drop the next one so that you go to learn well. Or you could take another difference again. Remember, we don't take and say these two go fit decolorize bromine water. Now this guy and this guy. Now, this guy, they undergo a reaction where they call substitution reaction, which an example of an oxidation reaction. But this one, they undergo addition reaction. This one also, they undergo addition reaction. Now, that one now another difference between them. So they can say which of the following they undergo substitution. Now alkanes they undergo substitution. Though put them for your mind, say you get one guy where they also undergo substitution. That one is benzene. That one are aromatic hydrocarbons. That's why you need pay attention to the next videos we'll do. We'll gonna look at benzene. And benzene take different from these other ones. Now another thing you go know be saying you go call it think if alkenes and alkynes go fit decolorize bromine water, wetin I go come use fit take differentiate them if I dey lab. Now 2 common compound now you go use, and which compound be that one? Ag, they call them silver nitrates, and they call this other one copper 1 chloride. These two guys, if you put them for ammonia solution, so they call them ammoniaca silver chloride and ammoniaca copper 1 chloride. These two guys go fit react with alkynes, but this other one, these alkenes, no go fit react with them. Wetin that one mean be say these alkynes go fit form color precipitates if you react with this, but alkenes no go fit. Now if these alkynes react with silver nitrate, it go come form a precipitate, which is what? A white precipitate. I go use PPT to represent precipitate. Now this copper chloride, if you react with alkynes, it go come form a red precipitate. Now indirectly, now if you get sense, you go don't know say I don't already use these two compounds to differentiate between alkenes and alkynes. for lab. But you get one thing wey be say you need know now. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel so that you go see the other videos. You get some alkynes wey you go fit react with this one. We go check am for our other videos. So quickly now, you need to check, you need to look at it. So we don't bring out some difference between alkenes and alkynes. Now this I go break am down, I no go rush am. We no dey rush, because not be how they take they drink water, they take they drink soup. So you go dey very careful to take analyze this part very well. So the next part we'll come take more difference between the alkanes and alkynes. Then we'll come look again at the benzene, which is the aromatic compound. Now, like I talked before, you better subscribe. If you not subscribe before thunder fire you. Oh yeah, we'll go check the other videos. Thank you for watching.